Alright guys, we're gonna put this pumpkin to bake. As you see the fire underneath the oven and the fire over there to cook. But I'm going to put this to bake. You see dog inside there? Ooh. Just gonna leave that right there to bake right there. Yes. Okay guys. Yeah. Let me pick this right here. I don't got no knife and I don't want to damage the plant. So I have to hold it right there and spin it until it let loose. Yeah, so we're going to cut this up now to put on the fire. This is some lemongrass. We also want to make some lemongrass tea. Alright, this is good. This is lemongrass. Welcome back to Plant a Garden TV. How you all doing today? Today I'm going to cook an ital. Today with different ingredients. Today we don't have the coconut milk, so we're not using the coconut milk. The only thing we're going to be using is the eggplant, tomato, and edo leaf, which we call callaloo. So I'm doing the leaf only today, not doing the stalk today, just the leaf. So we're going to just cut them down. You see, this is the leaf, so we're just cutting them down. The leaf fold up, the leaf stay fold up until the time comes for it to unfold. We have one okra here. Cut up everything. Then I'm gonna wash everything. I like eggplant because it gives me that texture like it's meat I'm eating. This is the way I get to stop eating meat, because the eggplant gives me that texture. Needing my chopping board. I just want a big slice. All right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash these and then I'm going to get right back to you. Hold on. Guys, what we're going to do now, we're going to put the pot on the fire. These cast iron pot, every time you use them, it's good to wash them really nice and kind of oil them up, because you don't want the bottom to get rust. You see how this looking? You don't want the bottom to get any type of rust in there. We'll just put that in there for now. Then we're going to add some water. We're just going to leave it there to heat up. Then we're going to add some water and then allow it to boil. Then we're going to add the food. Alright, come around here guys. Let me show you what's going on here. Down inside there we have a pumpkin. Cookings, baking down inside there. That's like a oven down inside there, guys. So we close it back. Alright. So we allowing the water to boil. Then we're gonna add our callaloo. Then we're gonna add our eggplant. Ooh, god damn. Alright guys, so we're gonna allow this to boil down really good. We're not using no salt, no butter, nothing. We're just cooking down everything together. And that's it. So let's continue watching the journey, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button. We appreciate it. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're going to put on this pot and just allow this to cook down. Yes, so we're gonna just allow that there to cook down. Meanwhile, we just relaxing. You will see how the pumpkin is going over here, or the squash. All right. Okay. All right, guys. So what we're going to do here now, we're going to make some tea. What we have here, we have some lemongrass that we already washed. So we're gonna just put it in the pot there and boil some lemongrass. So we're going to drink some lemongrass tea. Also eat a nice ital that made without salt, without butter. Alright guys, so this is the lemongrass. As you can see, you could see how the water start to turn green. Yes, this is the right time. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take it, put it there. And this is my planter garden cup. You guys can check out my merch. You can purchase a cup to support the channel. I appreciate you guys. Alright? Okay. So this is my lemongrass. So I'm going on add it to my cup. Ain't that look beautiful down inside there? Ain't that look beautiful? Guys, I'm gonna drink this tea just like this. We don't use sugar. We try to stay away from sugar. We try to stay away from salt. Alright? It's real hot. I'm going to allow it to cool down for a little. You see? Real hot, but you could taste the lemon. Alright? So, gonna cool it down for a little. Then I'm gonna get ready now. Alright guys, so this is our pumpkin right here. The knife goes in. Oh man. Okay. That means it's pretty soft, guys. Pretty soft. Okay. So what we're gonna be doing here now, we're gonna be cutting this pumpkin. Oh, look the inside, guys. Look how juicy the inside look. The seed, you could also eat the seed if you can. But I'm not going to eat the seed. I'm going to clean it out. But this is how it look, guys. This is the pumpkin. Soft and nice. You see? You see the texture? Juicy. So what we're going to do, we're going to clear up the seed. And we're gonna get that going. Alright guys, so this is the pumpkin that we now bake. Soft and juicy. No salt added, no butter. It creates its own flavor. Its own flavor. Delicious, guys. Delicious. Fresh lemongrass tea. Now come off the fire. No sugar added. In this life, we so immune to sugar and salt that is hard for us to drink some tea without sugar and to eat some food without salt.